Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Higgsfield with Claude AI. First, open the Claude desktop app or visit the Claude website in your browser. Once you're signed in, open the settings menu. Depending on your version of Claude, you may also find this option under Customize. Look for the Connectors section, where you can connect external tools and services. Click Add, then choose Add Custom Connector. In the connector name field, type Higgsfield so you can easily recognize it later. Then paste the following MCP URL into the URL field. Click Add or Connect. You'll be asked to sign in with your Higgsfield account. Enter your credentials and approve the requested permissions so Claude can access your Higgsfield workspace. After the connection is complete, start a new chat in Claude. Before sending your prompt, make sure the Higgsfield connector is enabled for that conversation. This allows Claude to use Higgsfield while generating your results. Next, upload your reference images or product photos by simply dragging and dropping them into the chat window. Claude will analyze both your uploaded files and your written instructions. Now, type a clear and simple creative brief. For example, you can ask Claude to turn a product image into 3 warm tone lifestyle ad variations, create different marketing concepts, or generate multiple creative versions from the same image. Once you send your request, Claude will automatically understand your prompt and select the most suitable AI video generation models. Depending on the task, it may use Veo, Kling, Sora, or Higgsfield's own soul models. The generated results will appear directly in your chat, making it easy to review and compare different outputs in one place. That's how you can connect Higgsfield with Claude AI and use it to create AI-powered image and video content. Thanks for watching.